Hey guys, welcome back. We've got the River Wild behind us, so bear with me. As you know, we are filming these on the road as we're riding around the world. Today's question, if I install the cockpit, is it permanent? Absolutely not. This is not a permanent installation. We are not welding it to your bike. We are not somehow permanently fixing it to your bike. It is bolts, it is U-bolts, and it is basically a little bit of wrench work. Most riders find that it's going to take 5 to 10 minutes to install the cockpit, and then if you do get proficient at it, it's going to take even less time. We want you to use Loctite and or nylon nuts, right, to really make sure that it doesn't shake loose, but there's nothing permanent about it. Now, most riders worry about a quick release or a permanent installation because you're thinking, yeah, sometimes I'm going to want to ride with my dog, and other times I probably want to go and have an adventure by myself where I can really ride hard. Once you have been out with your dog and discover the adventure of bringing them along, and more importantly, once you see that you can bring them along and really not negatively impact your ride dynamic, you can still do off-road, you can still do those tight twisties and high-speed riding. What is the purpose? What is the need to remove the cockpit, right? Even we have a lot of riders who commute with their bikes to work, and they find that this is a fantastic structure for carrying groceries, briefcases, whatever it is that they are ferrying to and from work, to and from errands. So no, absolutely not. The cockpit is not a permanent installation, and yet it is likely that you will not be installing and removing it anywhere near as much as you may expect.